Andrea, good afternoon. Michael Pugliese from Prime Motor Cars here in Scarborough, Maine. I just wanted to shoot you a quick video on the C63 that you inquired about. I don't know if you had the pleasure of seeing one in person in the new 2019 model, but it's a beautiful car with great body lines. Just a wonderful little package here. And we happen to have a C63 non-S model, but it does have the matte black Magno paint with the night package, and also has a badge delete. So no badging on the back, which I really think it makes for a beautiful car all around, and just really nice styling. I do like the fact that it doesn't have any of the badges in the back. No air louvers or vents on the side, just a little bit of that body bend, a little bit of the inlet right there on the side panel. That night package with the black window lining is just a really nice look. The black trim on the bottom. I like how the glossy black and the matte black kind of offset and play off each other. Those black performance exhaust tips down with that black rear spoiler. Just again, really beautiful car. I'm sure you've done a little bit of research yourself on this vehicle. I don't know if you've done research on this vehicle particularly. This one does come equipped standard Burmester audio system, heated seats, has the optional 12.3-inch instrument cluster in the center dash, and that 10.3-inch screen, 10.25-inch screen I should say, in the middle for the infotainment. Just that beautiful AMG steering wheel with all your controls on left and right side of the car, make for a really easy driving experience. Those heavy bolstered side seats and the race seats are just really nice. I'm not gonna hop in this car and take it for a drive. Most of our AMG models, we don't like to put a lot of miles on them, so I just wanted to give you a little walk around. It's really beautiful in person. So send those lease numbers over to you if you need any other questions, any other help with it. That's what we're here for, and looking forward to talking to you and working with you on the vehicle. Thanks so much, Andrea.